Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine. This is your English class and in today's class we are going to learn alphabet H. And the sound of H is H. Sound of H is H. This is hen. H is for hen. H, h, hen. H, h, hen. This is house. H is for house. Repeat after me. H, h, house. H, h, house. This is heart. This is heart. H is for heart. What is this? This is horse. H, h, horse. The sound of H is H. Horse. Next is hat. This is hat. H is for hat. H, h, hat. Next, helicopter. What is this? Helicopter. H is for helicopter. Sound of H is H. And the last, H is for hand. What is this? Hand. Thank you for watching the video.